Natural home remedies for kidney stones. One of the most common conditions that people face is kidney stones, and although they can sometimes be annoying and very painful, there is an easy natural way of disposing them out of your body using natural remedies. Kidney stones occur as a result of the kidneys not processing the toxins properly, resulting in crystallization of raw minerals. Down below are some of the best proven natural remedies for easily dissolving these stones and helping you expel them from your body. Olive oil, lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. This trio is considered to be one of the most effective remedies for kidney stones. Simply mix 60 milliliters of olive oil with 60 milliliters of lemon juice and consume the solution. Right after that, drink 350 milliliters of water, and half an hour later squeeze the juice of half a lemon in 350 milliliters of water and add a tablespoon of ACV. Stir it well and drink it. Repeat this process few times a day. Bearberry tea. This incredible tea can efficiently cleanse the urinary tract, reduce infections and stop the pain. Consume 500 milliliters a day. Horsetail. Horsetail is yet another highly effective remedy. Drink 3 or 4 cups of horsetail tea to reduce the pain. Pomegranate juice. Kidney stones and pain can also be treated by consuming the juice and the seeds of a pomegranate. Celery. Celery has been long used for the treatment of kidney stones pain as it is beneficial for the entire urinary tract. Simply drink celery tea or use it in salads or meals. Basil. Basil has an overall positive impact on the kidneys. Simply take a teaspoon of basil juice mixed with honey to treat kidney stones and pain.